A very good morning, all of you. Welcome again in 6th standard GK class with Ojashwini. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. So, what are you doing nowadays except your study? So, how many of you like writing? Writing, I'm not talking about handwriting. I am talking about the writing. It means how many of you like to write poem? How many of you like to write some stories? That type of writing. So, reply me in the comment box. How many of you like writing and what are you write? Okay. So, our today's topic is also famous works. Some authors have become world famous because of their excellent literary works. Let's have a look on some famous authors and their excellent works. And our today's class is based on picture study. Ever you did? Okay. So today we enjoy picture study. Number 1, Vikram Seth, the famous author Vikram Seth, and his famous excellent works are Two Lives, A Suitable Boy, The Golden Gate. Do one thing, everybody also speak with me or after me. Once again, Two Lives, A Suitable Boy, The Golden Gate. These three excellent works are Vikram Seth, and you have to remember this thing, name of author and his or her famous literary works. So the next one is R.K. Narayan, and his famous literary works are number 1, Malgudi Days. Everybody is speaking with me now. Number 2, The Guide. And number 3, Mr. Sampath. The next one, Mulk Raj Anand, and his famous literary works are number 1, Untouchable, number 2, Coolie, number 3, The Village. And you know that when I was studying in post graduation, so I also read him, Mulk Raj Anand, and I read his Untouchable. Yes. Okay. The next one is Charles Dickens. I also read him, and he is the third one and the second one. Both the novels are in my course, my syllabus. है ना? So, again speak with me. Number 1, A Tale of Two Cities. Number 2, David Copperfield. And number 3, Oliver Twist. And all three are very interesting stories. Must read it. The next one is V.S. Naipaul, and his works are, maybe you have some problem, so you can zoom it. And number 1 is A Bend in the River. Is everybody following me? A bend in the river. Number 2, the middle passage. And you know that these all are Nobel Prize winner. है ना? Means in all 3 books, 3 novels, Mr. V.S. Naipaul get Nobel Prize in literature. And number 3rd is an area of darkness. And his subtopic is his discovery of India. The next one is, yes, maybe all of you know him very well, is it? How many of you know him before this chapter? And his name is Rudyard Kipling. And the famous works of Rudyard Kipling are The Jungle Book. Everybody remember na? The next one, The Light That Failed. And the third one is Kim. So, in today's class, we know 6 famous authors and their very interesting and excellent literary works. So, your today's homework is that complete exercise of chapter 10 and learn author's name and their book's name. Means in one column block 3 books name you have to write. So you have to learn all 3 name with author's name. And the main thing, you all will use pencil only and make your best writing. Is it? So thank you. Have a nice day.